Hi everybody, today we are going to see what is inside a wall clock. We will open this wall clock and we will see what are the parts that are inside this wall clock. We can know the technology, how a wall clock works. The circular part of a wall clock that displays the hours and minutes using markers or numbers is called the dial or face. The shorter hand that moves around the dial and points to the hour marker is known as the hour hand. The longer hand that moves around the dial and points to the minutes markers is called the minute hand. The thin and straight hand that moves around the dial and indicates the seconds is referred to as the seconds hand. The clock movement is the internal mechanism that powers the wall clock, controlling the movement of the hands and the sound of the ticking. The outer housing of the wall clock is called the case and can be made from a variety of materials such as wood, plastic, or metal. Some wall clocks may also include a chime mechanism that plays a tune or sound at regular intervals to indicate the time. Some wall clocks may feature a pendulum, which is a weight suspended on a rod that swings back and forth to keep time. Now let me open this. First let us open all the screws. There are 4 screws in this wall clock. We will open it. After opening all the screws, we can open the front side of the wall clock. We can open it. Now we can remove the screws and we can open this glass part. Inside this glass part you can see here hour, minute and seconds hand. Now let us open this back part and we will see what is inside it. Now let us remove this small cover. We can see the main part of the clock. This black color part is the main part of the clock. Here we will put the battery. So this is how you have to attach the battery. Now let us remove the battery and remove this black portion. You can see here when it is connected to the clock, this is how the hour, second and minutes hand will be running. So now let us open this black part and see what is inside this and what is the technology that is behind this clock running. So let us open this part and we'll see what is inside. Inside this you can see many tooth wheels are there. I am opening this entire structure. You can see there are different types of tooth wheels are attached. Now you see here there is a chip attached to the clock. Now let me show you the chip. This is the main chip. You have copper wires attached to this chip. So you can see here the copper wires which is wound and this is connected to another cable. So where you attach that battery. So you can see here this is the copper wire. Inside this black plastic case you can see how the battery is connected. The small metal pin to which the battery is connected. This pin is connected to the coil. Twisted. These are the parts of the clock. You can see all the parts of the clock one by one.